Hey there, hustlers! Welcome back to the Hustle Strategist channel. I'm so glad you're here, and today, we're embarking on a journey that will supercharge your affiliate site's performance. If you're ready to crush the competition and secure your spot at the top of search engine results, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we reveal game-changing SEO strategies that will take your affiliate site to new heights. Before we dive into the strategies, let's take a closer look at the powerhouse behind affiliate site success. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a dynamic process that ensures your website appears on search engine results and thrives at the top. Think of it as the digital map guiding users to your site's doorstep. Search engines, like Google, Bing, and Yahoo, are the virtual gatekeepers to the vast world of online information. When users search for specific topics, products, or solutions, these search engines sift through billions of web pages to deliver the most relevant results. And that's where SEO comes into play. SEO techniques are like secret codes that tell search engines what your website is all about. By optimizing your site using these codes, you're signaling to search engines that your content is valuable, authoritative, and worth showcasing to users. Imagine you have a bakery specializing in gourmet cupcakes. Without SEO, your website might be buried beneath pages of unrelated search results. But with SEO, you're waving a flag that says, "Hey, this bakery has the most mouth-watering cupcakes in town." The goal is simple yet monumental: to secure a high ranking on search engine results pages. Research shows that a vast majority of users click on one of the top 3 results. So, if your affiliate site isn't among those top spots, you're potentially missing out on valuable traffic, leads, and conversions. To summarize, SEO is the ultimate digital elevator that takes your affiliate site from obscurity to prominence. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you're attracting organic traffic and establishing your site as a trusted source in your niche. Now that we've unlocked the power of SEO, let's dive into the specific techniques that will catapult your affiliate site to the top of search rankings. Next, we're diving deep into the art of keyword mastery. Think of keywords as the compass that guides users to your affiliate site amidst the vast digital landscape. Mastering keyword research is like speaking the language your audience uses to search for solutions. When a user types a query into a search engine, they're essentially voicing their needs and desires. Your goal? To uncover the exact words and phrases they're using, so you can align your content with their intent. Enter keyword research tools, your trusty companions in deciphering user intent. These tools help you identify high-volume keywords, long-tail phrases, and relevant topics that resonate with your target audience. Imagine you're running a fitness-focused affiliate site. Instead of simply using exercise as a keyword, you can dig deeper. Effective home workouts for beginners, healthy meal plans for weight loss. These longer, more specific phrases are gold mines of untapped traffic. Crafting content around these keywords isn't just about ranking, it's about delivering value. Your content should provide solutions, answer questions, and address pain points your audience faces. Remember, keywords are like breadcrumbs leading users to your virtual doorstep. But once they arrive, your content must exceed their expectations and keep them engaged. Incorporating keywords seamlessly throughout your content is an art. From meta titles and descriptions to headers, subheadings, and naturally within the body, each instance enhances your content's visibility and relevance. But here's the catch: it's not about stuffing your content with keywords. Search engines are smart enough to recognize genuine value. Balancing keyword density with informative, engaging content is the winning formula. Lastly, keep an eye on user engagement metrics. If users find your content valuable and spend time on your pages, search engines take notice. This paves the way for even higher rankings and a growing, loyal audience. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of keyword mastery. Next, we'll explore on-page optimization tactics that turn your content into a search engine-friendly masterpiece. Welcome! We're delving into the exciting world of on-page optimization. Picture your affiliate site as a beautifully crafted puzzle, On-page optimization ensures every piece fits perfectly, creating a seamless user experience. From captivating meta tags to organized headers, on-page optimization is your toolkit for transforming ordinary content into search engine-friendly masterpieces. Let's start with meta tags. These are the snippets users see on search engine results pages. A well-crafted meta title and description not only grab attention but also provide a sneak peek into what your content offers. Your meta title should be concise yet intriguing, showcasing the essence of your content. The meta description, on the other hand, should entice users to click and explore further. Headers are like signposts guiding users through your content. Organize your content using hierarchical headers, from H1, main title, to H2, subheadings, and beyond. This not only improves readability but also makes it easier for search engines to understand your content structure. Within your content, strategically incorporate keywords in headers and subheadings. This not only boosts your content's SEO value but also enhances the user experience by making your content scannable. Another on-page optimization gem is internal linking. This involves strategically linking to other relevant pages within your own site. Not only does this keep users engaged, but it also helps search engines discover the depth of your content. While on-page optimization enhances search engine visibility, never forget that your primary audience is human. Keep your content informative, engaging, and tailored to your readers' needs. Once your on-page optimization efforts are in place, closely monitor user engagement metrics. The longer users stay on your page, the more value they're finding. This sends positive signals to search engines, leading to higher rankings. Next, we're unraveling the mystery behind backlinks, the backbone of site credibility and authority. Imagine your affiliate site as a bustling marketplace. Each backlink is a recommendation from another shopkeeper. The more offers you have, the more trustworthy your shop becomes. Backlinks are like digital endorsements. When other websites link to your content, it signals to search engines that your content is valuable and worth sharing. This not only boosts your site's credibility but also plays a significant role in determining your search engine ranking. But not all backlinks are created equal. Quality trumps quantity. A single backlink from a reputable and relevant source carries more weight than multiple backlinks from low-quality sites. Earning backlinks requires a strategic approach. You can't just sit back and hope others link to your content. Instead, create compelling, informative content that other websites naturally want to reference and link to. Guest posting is another effective way to secure backlinks. By contributing valuable content to other websites in your niche, you're not only showcasing your expertise but also gaining exposure and building relationships within your community. But sometimes, you need to take the initiative. Outreach and networking play a crucial role in backlink acquisition. Reach out to other content creators, share your valuable insights, and propose collaborative opportunities that benefit both parties. Remember, the key is relevance. Backlinks from sites that are closely related to your niche carry more weight. They indicate to search engines that your content is an authoritative source within your field. Natural backlink growth is the ultimate goal. As your content gains traction, more websites will organically link to it. This signifies to search engines that your content is valuable and relevant to users. Next, we'll uncover the secrets of crafting a mobile-friendly, user-focused affiliate site. In the digital era, a seamless user experience is non-negotiable. Your site should be a welcoming oasis that caters to users on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Mobile responsiveness isn't just a perk, it's a necessity. With a significant portion of web traffic coming from mobile devices, Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites in search results. To ensure your site is mobile-friendly, opt for a responsive design. This means your site adjusts seamlessly to different screen sizes, maintaining functionality and aesthetics across devices. But it's not just about appearances. User experience matters too. Your site should load quickly, keeping visitors engaged and preventing them from bouncing off to competitors. Optimize images, leverage browser caching, and minimize unnecessary elements to keep your site's loading time in check. A user-focused design goes beyond aesthetics. It's about crafting a journey that guides users through your content effortlessly. Intuitive navigation, clear calls to action, and organized content make for a satisfying user experience. Speaking of content, keep it organized and scannable. Users should be able to find what they need without a treasure hunt. Subheadings, bullet points, and concise paragraphs all contribute to readability. Engaging content is at the heart of user satisfaction. Craft informative, valuable, and visually appealing content that resonates with your target audience. Use images, videos, and infographics to enhance understanding. Lastly, don't forget about mobile SEO. Optimize your meta tags, descriptions, and headers for mobile devices. Google's mobile-first indexing means your mobile site's content takes precedence in search rankings. Creating a mobile-friendly, user-focused site is an ongoing process. Regularly analyze user behavior, gather feedback, and implement improvements that enhance the user experience. And there you have it, hustlers. SEO is the driving force behind getting your affiliate site noticed by the right audience. If you're ready to harness the power of SEO to rank your site and drive organic traffic, start implementing these techniques today. Remember, SEO is a continuous effort that yields long-term results. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep hustling.